Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic, polarizing, and talked about vehicles on the planet, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck. This isn't just a truck, this is a statement. It looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. And whether you love it or hate it, you simply can't ignore it. So let's jump right into everything you need to know, from that wild exterior to the surprisingly luxurious interior, the jaw-dropping performance, and the latest price updates for 2026. The first thing that hits you when you see the 2026 Cybertruck is, of course, its design. That ultra-angular stainless steel exoskeleton is still here. But in this updated model, Tesla has refined it just enough to make it a little more production-friendly without losing its edge, literally. The body is made of ultra-hard 30X, cold-rolled stainless steel, resistant to dents, scratches, and even bullets. That's not a gimmick, it's part of Tesla's vision to redefine utility and durability. You've got LED light bars stretching across the front and rear, giving it a signature glow that turns heads day and night. The wheels are massive, aggressive, and wrapped in all-terrain rubber that screams off-road dominance. But when you step inside, everything changes. The interior of the 2026 Cybertruck is where rugged meets minimalistic luxury. It's still very Tesla ultra-clean, very few physical buttons, and a massive 18-inch central LED tech screen that controls everything. But Tesla has clearly listened to user feedback. This year we're seeing upgraded materials across the dash and seats, softer touch finishes, and even ambient lighting that responds to your driving mode. The steering yoke remains an option, but traditional round steering is now available for those who want a more familiar feel. Seating is comfortable, spacious, and surprisingly plush for a vehicle that looks like it belongs on Mars. You've got room for 6 people, plus a panoramic glass roof that gives the cabin a spacious, airy vibe. And for the tech-savvy, the Cybertruck now supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Tesla's own intuitive software that just keeps getting smarter. Now let's talk performance, because this truck is an absolute beast. In 2026, Tesla has pushed the limits even further. The tri-motor AWD version can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, a pickup truck going from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. That's supercar territory. It produces over 800 horsepower and nearly 1,000 pounds-ft of torque, which means it doesn't just look futuristic, it drives like it too. Whether you're towing, climbing, racing, or just cruising, the Cybertruck handles it all with ease. The adaptive air suspension has been upgraded for even better ride comfort and off-road capability. It can raise or lower itself depending on terrain and driving needs, and it has a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds. This isn't just a stylish electric truck, it's a workhorse built for real utility. The range, another huge win. The 2026 Cybertruck now offers up to 560 miles of range on a single charge in its top trim. That's enough to cover long road trips without anxiety. And with Tesla's ever-growing supercharger network now with V4 chargers offering top-ups, you can recharge up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. It's not just impressive, it's class-leading. And yes, the Cybertruck also supports bidirectional charging, so it can power your house or even charge another EV. That's the future of mobility. Folks, now, let's talk money, because all of this doesn't come cheap, but it might not be as out of reach as you think. The single-motor RWD version starts at around $62,000. While the dual-motor AWD is priced around $74,990. But if you want the ultimate Cybertruck experience with the tri-motor plaid performance setup, you're looking at roughly $94,990 with government EV incentives still available in many states and countries. You could shave a few thousand off that price, and when you factor in zero fuel costs, reduced maintenance, and long-term durability, the value proposition starts to make a lot more sense. Tesla has also added more customization options in 2026. You can now choose between matte, brushed, and even limited edition color-coded exteriors while still maintaining the steel body. There's a new off-road package with skid plates, tow hooks, and terrain-specific tires, perfect for adventurers. And inside, the optional Tesla Smart Cabin Pack adds features like air filtration, soundproofing, and even built-in camping mode with ambient climate control. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is not just a bold design experiment, it's a fully functional, incredibly fast, tech-packed truck that's ready for the future. Whether you want to haul gear, race a sports car, or just make a statement on the road, the Cybertruck delivers. It's weird, it's wild, and it's wonderful. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this beast? Or is it too much future for you? If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car content that pushes the limits. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay electric and drive into the future.